Number 15. The Badland F1. UL is a remarkable ultralight aircraft designed for those who crave freedom in the skies without the complications of traditional aviation. Weighing under 254 pounds, it meets the FAA Part 103 regulations, allowing it to be flown without a pilot's license or aircraft registration, making it a perfect choice for aviation enthusiasts and beginners alike. Number 14. The Hummel Ultracruiser is a sleek and efficient ultralight aircraft designed to bring the joy of flight to individuals who appreciate simplicity, performance, and craftsmanship. Crafted entirely from aluminum, this single-seat aircraft offers the perfect balance between lightweight design and structural strength, qualifying under the FAA Part 103 category with an empty weight of less than 254 pounds. Its all-metal construction not only provides durability, but also gives it a polished, professional look that sets it apart from many fabric-covered ultralights. Powered typically by a reliable four-stroke engine, the Ultracruiser delivers smooth, fuel-efficient performance with excellent throttle response, making it ideal for relaxed cruising or more spirited flying. The aircraft features a low-wing configuration, offering superior visibility above and around, while also contributing to its nimble and responsive handling in the air. The enclosed cockpit enhances comfort and provides some protection from the elements, and the controls are thoughtfully laid out to give the pilot a truly intuitive flying experience. With a tricycle landing gear setup, it handles ground operations with ease, whether you're taking off from a grass strip or a paved runway. One of its standout qualities is how well it merges the feel of a traditional aircraft with the freedoms of ultralight flying. No license, no registration, just pure flying pleasure. The Hummel Ultracruiser is not just a machine, it's an invitation to explore the skies on your own terms, offering a sense of independence and satisfaction that only true ultralight aviation can deliver. Number 13. The Cobb Firefly is a highly versatile and well-engineered ultralight aircraft that captures the essence of grassroots aviation with a perfect blend of simplicity, performance, and fun. Designed to meet the FAA Part 103 ultralight requirements, the Firefly maintains an empty weight under 254 pounds, allowing pilots to enjoy the freedom of flight without a license, registration, or medical certificate. What sets this aircraft apart is its unique pusher configuration with the engine mounted behind the pilot, offering an unobstructed forward view and a quiet, smooth flying experience. The high-wing design adds excellent stability and slow speed control, making it ideal for beginners as well as seasoned pilots looking for a relaxed and enjoyable flight. The Firefly's open cockpit gives a raw, immersive sensation of flying. Feeling the wind, hearing the engine hum behind you, and seeing the world from a bird's-eye view with no walls in the way. Built with a sturdy yet lightweight aluminum frame and fabric-covered wings, it's designed to be both rugged and easy to maintain. It can be folded up for storage or trailering within minutes, making it incredibly practical for pilots with limited hangar space or those who want to take their aircraft on the road. The simple control system, responsive handling, and short takeoff and landing capabilities allow it to operate from a wide variety of fields, including grass strips and other improvised runways. With its reliable engine, low operational costs, and straightforward maintenance, the Cobb Firefly opens up aviation to a broader audience, offering a unique flying experience that feels more like gliding on air than piloting a machine. It's not just an ultralight, it's a ticket to personal freedom, adventure, and a deeper connection with the skies. Number 12. The MSquared Breeze 2 is a robust and visually striking ultralight aircraft designed to deliver an open-air flying experience while maintaining exceptional safety, stability, and reliability. With its bold, high-wing configuration and exposed aluminum frame, the Breeze 2 captures the spirit of early aviation while integrating modern engineering to enhance performance and durability. This two-seat aircraft, although not technically under FAA Part 103 as a single-seater would be, is often flown as a light sport or experimental aircraft, giving pilots the option to enjoy flight training or shared experiences with a passenger. It features a strong welded aluminum tube structure with Dacron sailcloth covering the wings and tail surfaces, which provides both strength and lightweight efficiency. The aircraft is powered by a dependable Rotax engine, offering powerful thrust and fuel-efficient performance that makes takeoffs, climbs, and cruising feel effortless and responsive. Its wide cockpit area and side-by-side seating make it comfortable and social, with an intuitive control setup that appeals to both novice and experienced pilots. Known for its excellent visibility, forgiving flight characteristics, and low stall speed, the Breeze 2 allows for slow, stable flight, ideal for sightseeing, aerial photography, or simply enjoying the freedom of low and slow flying. With rugged tricycle landing gear and large tires, it's perfectly suited for unimproved grass strips or backcountry fields, giving it versatility beyond typical paved runway operations. The aircraft's modular, easy-to-assemble design also appeals to kit builders and flying clubs looking for a dependable and fun-to-fly aircraft. Whether you're taking to the skies for the first time or adding a reliable workhorse to your fleet, the MSquared Breeze 2 represents a unique combination of classic design, modern functionality, and pure flying enjoyment. Number 11. The Jetson 1 is a revolutionary ultralight aircraft that brings the future of personal flight into the present with its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and fully electric propulsion system. Designed as a one-person eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, the Jetson 1 falls within the ultralight category, allowing it to be flown without a pilot's license in many regions, opening the skies to a wider audience than ever before. Crafted with a lightweight aluminum space frame and carbon fiber components, it offers both strength and agility while maintaining a total weight of under 254 pounds. What truly sets the Jetson 1 apart is its 8 powerful electric motors and fixed propellers, enabling vertical takeoff, smooth hovering, and agile forward flight, all controlled by a simple and intuitive joystick and throttle system. This ease of control, paired with advanced flight stabilization software, makes flying the Jetson 1 accessible even to those with no prior flight experience. The aircraft comes equipped with built-in safety features such as terrain tracking, obstacle avoidance, a ballistic parachute system, and redundant flight computers to ensure peace of mind during every journey. The open cockpit provides a thrilling, immersive flight experience, allowing the pilot to feel the rush of the air and take in panoramic views from above. With a top speed of around 63 miles per hour and a flight time of approximately 20 minutes per charge, the Jetson 1 is ideal for short recreational flights or quick hops across rural landscapes. Number 10. The Quicksilver MX2 Sprint is a legendary name in the world of light aviation, celebrated for its simplicity, stability, and pure flying enjoyment. This two-seat, open-cockpit ultralight aircraft is designed to deliver a back-to-basics flying experience that feels as free as the sky itself. Constructed with a durable aluminum frame and covered with lightweight Dacron sailcloth, the MX2 Sprint is both rugged and featherlight, allowing for responsive performance and excellent control. Its high-wing design, supported by struts and cable bracing, provides outstanding visibility, low-speed stability, and smooth handling, making it an ideal choice for training, recreational flying, or just relaxed exploration from above. Powered by a reliable engine. Number 9. The Fisher FP202 Koala is a charming, vintage-style ultralight aircraft that captures the spirit of classic aviation while offering the simplicity and freedom of modern ultralight flight. Designed to resemble a nostalgic Piper Cub. Number 8. The Mosquito XE is a groundbreaking ultralight helicopter that delivers the thrill of rotary wing flight in a compact personal aircraft designed for true aviation enthusiasts. Unlike fixed-wing ultralights, the Mosquito XE brings vertical takeoff and landing capabilities to the ultralight category, opening up an entirely new world of flying freedom. This single-seat helicopter is crafted with a lightweight yet durable composite airframe, allowing it to remain under the FAA Part 103 weight limit, while offering impressive strength and aerodynamic efficiency. Its sleek, fully enclosed cabin not only enhances comfort and weather protection, but also gives it a refined, modern look. Powered by a reliable two-stroke engine, the XE provides smooth rotor performance and responsive control, making it capable of hovering, auto-rotation, and maneuvering in tight spaces that fixed-wing aircraft simply can't reach. The aircraft features a traditional cyclic, collective, and anti-torque pedal system, giving pilots the full experience of helicopter flight. Number 7. The Aeroworks Aerolite A22 is a beautifully engineered ultralight aircraft that blends simplicity, performance, and affordability, into one of the most popular single-seat flying machines available today. Designed specifically to comply with the FAA's Part 103 regulations, the Aerolite 103 keeps its empty weight under 254 pounds, allowing pilots to enjoy the skies without a license, registration, or medical certification. Its lightweight yet strong aluminum frame, combined with durable Dacron sailcloth covering, ensures both structural integrity and efficiency. The high-wing pusher prop configuration not only provides excellent forward visibility and stability, but also enhances overall aerodynamics for smooth and responsive flight. The open cockpit design delivers a true sense of freedom, putting the pilot in direct connection with the air and surroundings, making every flight feel immersive and exhilarating. Powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient two-stroke engine, the Aerolite 103 offers a great balance of power and simplicity, enabling quick takeoffs, easy climbs, and stable cruising at low altitudes. Its straightforward control system and low stall speed make it incredibly beginner-friendly, while still offering enough responsiveness to keep experienced pilots engaged. With features like a comfortable seat, basic instrumentation, and easy ground handling thanks to the tricycle landing gear, the aircraft delivers a hassle-free experience from takeoff to landing. It's also known for its quick build time and low maintenance requirements, making it an excellent choice for those who want to spend more time flying and less time fixing. The Aerolite 103 isn't just a budget-friendly option, it's a true gateway to personal aviation, offering the freedom to explore, relax, and experience the sky in its purest form. Number 6. The Phantom X1 is a classic and well-loved ultralight aircraft that has stood the test of time, delivering a reliable, stable, and exciting flying experience for pilots who value both performance and simplicity. Built to comply with FAA Part 103 regulations, the Phantom X1 maintains an empty weight under 254 pounds, allowing it to be flown legally without a pilot's license, medical certificate, or aircraft registration. Its sleek, high-wing design is supported by strong aluminum tubing and Dacron sailcloth, offering a perfect balance of lightness and durability. The open cockpit design provides a thrilling and immersive flight experience, giving pilots a true connection to the sky, while the pusher propeller setup ensures an unobstructed forward view and reduces noise and vibration. Powered by a reliable two-stroke engine, the Phantom X1 delivers quick takeoffs, responsive handling, and a comfortable cruising speed, all while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Its aerodynamic structure and low drag profile contribute to smooth, stable flight characteristics. Number 5. The Jordan Lake Airbike 103 is a unique and eye-catching ultralight aircraft that combines vintage styling with modern simplicity, offering a raw and exhilarating open-air flying experience. True to its name, the Airbike 103 features foot pedals that resemble those of a bicycle, giving it a minimalist and lightweight design that comfortably meets the FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations with an empty weight under 254 pounds. The aircraft is constructed with a sturdy welded steel tube fuselage and aluminum wing structure, all wrapped in lightweight fabric that helps keep it nimble and responsive in the air. Its high-wing pusher propeller configuration provides excellent visibility, low-speed stability, and a smooth, unobstructed flying sensation. The single-seat, open cockpit layout immerses the pilot in the elements, making every flight feel like an adventure as you cruise low and slow with the wind in your face and the hum of the engine behind you. Powered by a small, fuel-efficient two-stroke engine, the Airbike 103 offers just the right amount of thrust for easy takeoffs, gentle climbs, and steady cruising, all while keeping operating costs low and maintenance simple. Its tricycle landing gear ensures easy ground handling. Number 4. The Eurofly Minifox is a sleek, lightweight ultralight aircraft that offers pilots a refined and enjoyable flying experience wrapped in a compact and efficient design. Crafted with precision and European flair, the Minifox falls within ultralight regulations by maintaining an empty weight under 254 pounds, making it ideal for those who want to fly without the need for a license or aircraft registration in many regions. Its structure is built from high-quality aluminum tubing with fabric-covered wings and tail surfaces, combining strength and lightness to ensure excellent performance and durability. The high-wing configuration provides superb visibility and stability in flight, while the tricycle landing gear allows for smooth ground handling and easy takeoffs and landings. even from short or unpaved runways. The open cockpit design, available with or without partial enclosures, allows for a direct and thrilling connection to the sky, making each flight a truly immersive experience. Powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient engine, such as the Polini or Viterazzi models, the Mini Fox delivers responsive performance with enough power for confident takeoffs, stable cruising. Number 3. The Aeropract A22 is a beautifully crafted ultralight aircraft that combines modern engineering with exceptional flying comfort, making it one of the most versatile and capable light sport planes available today. Known for its spacious cabin, excellent visibility, and forgiving flight characteristics, the A22 is ideal for pilots who want the experience of a larger aircraft while still enjoying the benefits of ultralight flying. Its high-wing design and expansive side windows offer stunning panoramic views, making it perfect for sightseeing, photography, or simply enjoying the open skies. The aircraft is built with a strong yet lightweight aluminum frame, covered in metal and composite panels for durability, aerodynamic efficiency, and reduced maintenance. Inside, the cockpit offers side-by-side seating with ample headroom and legroom, giving both pilot and passenger a comfortable and connected flight experience. Powered by a reliable Rotax engine, the A22 delivers a smooth, fuel-efficient performance with responsive throttle control. Number 2. The Avector Sportstar Max is a modern, high-performance ultralight and light sport aircraft that blends sleek European design with cutting-edge aviation technology to deliver an exceptionally smooth and comfortable flying experience. Built with an all-metal airframe, the Sportstar Max is known for its strength, durability, and aerodynamic efficiency, making it a favorite among flight schools and recreational pilots alike. Its low-wing configuration and spacious glass canopy cockpit provide outstanding visibility and a sporty feel, while the ergonomic, side-by-side seating offers excellent comfort and intuitive access to controls, making long flights feel effortless. Number 1. The Northwing Maverick Outlander is a rugged and dependable weight-shift ultralight trike that offers an incredible open-air flying experience designed for adventure, freedom, and simplicity. Built to comply with FAA Part 103 regulations, the Maverick Outlander keeps its empty weight under 254 pounds, making it legal to fly without a pilot's license or registration in many areas. Its structure consists of a lightweight yet durable aircraft-grade aluminum frame paired with a sleek, high-performance wing, giving it excellent lift, stability, and control at low speeds. The trike's weight-shift control system, similar to hang gliding, provides a direct, intuitive connection between the pilot and the aircraft, making every movement feel natural and responsive. The open cockpit setup immerses the pilot fully in the flight experience, with the wind in your face and an unobstructed view in all directions. The Outlander is powered by a reliable and efficient engine, often a two-stroke unit like the Polini Thor or similar, offering strong performance for takeoffs, climbs, and steady cruising over fields, lakes, and backcountry terrain. Its rugged landing gear and larger tires